Looking for the best robot vacuum and mop to keep your home spotless in 2026? Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dusty floors, everyday messes, or simply want a smarter way to clean, the latest robot vacuum and mop combos offer powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and hands-free convenience. From self-emptying docks and AI obstacle avoidance to advanced mopping systems and smart app controls, today's top models can make home cleaning easier than ever. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best robot vacuum and mops of 2026 to help you find the perfect option for your home and budget. Stay tuned until the end to discover which robot cleaner deserves the top spot. Product links are available in the description below. If you'd like to check the latest prices, discounts, and detailed specifications, be sure to click the links in the description. Hammer 5, Dream L40 Ultra Gen 2. Looking for one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos to keep your home spotless in 2026? The Dream L40 Ultra Gen 2 delivers an exceptional hands-free cleaning experience with an impressive 25,000 PPAS suction power and 5 adjustable suction levels, making it ideal for hard floors, carpets, and homes with pets. Its advanced extendable side brush and mop reach deep into corners and under furniture, while the all-in-one self-cleaning dock minimizes maintenance for truly effortless cleaning. Equipped with Smart Pathfinder and 3D Adapt navigation, it accurately maps your home and intelligently avoids obstacles like shoes and furniture. Specialized carpet modes, including carpet avoidance, suction boost, intensive carpet cleaning, and automatic mop lifting, ensure optimal performance on every surface. With up to 231 minutes of runtime, off-peak charging support, and seamless control through the companion app, Alexa, Siri, and Google Home, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 offers a smarter, more convenient way to maintain a cleaner, healthier home for your entire family, including your pets. Check the Amazon link in the description below to learn more and get the latest price. Eufy C28. Looking for a robot vacuum and mop that can handle pet hair, stubborn messes, and everyday cleaning with minimal effort? The Eufy C28 is built to keep your home spotless with advanced self-cleaning technology and intelligent automation. Its innovative mop roller features 24 water ports and spins at 270 RPM for continuous self-cleaning, while a built-in scraper removes dirt into a separate wastewater tank to eliminate muddy paw prints, sticky spills, and everyday messes. The Duo Spiral Anti-Tangle Brush is designed to handle hair up to 30 centimeters, 11.8 inches, long without wrapping, making it an excellent choice for homes with multiple pets. With an impressive 15,000 PA turbo suction, it easily lifts pet hair, dust, crumbs, and debris from both carpets and hard floors, automatically increasing suction power when carpets are detected. The all-in-one docking station delivers up to 75 days of hands-free maintenance by automatically emptying the dustbin, washing the mop, drying it with 50 degrees Celsius hot air to reduce moisture buildup, and collecting wastewater, so you can spend less time maintaining your robot and more time enjoying a cleaner home. Equipped with privacy-friendly LiDAR navigation instead of cameras, it accurately maps your home, avoids common household obstacles, automatically lifts the mop on low carpets, operates quietly at just 54.89 dB, and provides long battery life for efficient whole home cleaning. If you're searching for one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos for pet owners in 2026, the Eufy C28 is designed to deliver powerful, worry-free performance every day. Hack number 3, iRobot Roomba Plus 505X. Looking for one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos for effortless home cleaning in 2026? The iRobot Roomba Plus 505X is built to handle everyday messes with powerful suction, intelligent AI navigation, and advanced dual-spinning mop pads for a deeper clean. Its perfect edge technology reaches corners and edges more effectively, while the auto wash dock automatically empties the dustbin for up to 75 days and washes, refreshes, and heat dries the mop pads for weeks of hands-free maintenance. With Precision Vision AI, the Roomba intelligently avoids cords, shoes, socks, and even pet accidents while detecting stubborn spills that need extra cleaning passes. The Clearview Pro LiDAR system creates accurate maps for fast, efficient navigation in both daylight and darkness, while Smart Scrub applies additional pressure to remove dried-on stains with ease. Customize room-by-room cleaning, Switch between vacuuming and mopping modes, and control everything through the Roomba Home app or with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Watch our full YouTube review to see the Roomba Plus 505X in action. Discover its top features, real-world performance, and find the Amazon product link in the video description. 2. Roborock Saros 10R. Looking for the ultimate robot vacuum and mop to keep your home spotless in 2026? The Roborock Saros 10R combines an ultra-slim 3.14-inch design with the advanced Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 to clean effortlessly under beds, sofas, cabinets, and other hard-to-reach spaces. Featuring an incredible 22,000 PA Hyperforce suction, zero-tangling brushes, intelligent edge and corner cleaning, and the innovative Adapti-Lift chassis that easily climbs thresholds and protects carpets, it delivers exceptional performance on every floor type. The powerful multifunctional Dock 4.0 provides hot water mop washing, hot air drying, automatic dust collection, auto refilling, detergent dispensing, and self-cleaning for a truly hands-free experience. With the built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant, customizable controls through the Roborock app, and an integrated RGB camera for pet monitoring and two-way video calls, the Saros 10R offers a smarter, more convenient way to maintain a cleaner home. Watch our full YouTube video to see the Roborock Saros 10R in action and discover why it's one of the best premium robot vacuum and mop combinations available on Amazon in 2026. Number 1. Shark Matrix Plus. Looking for a powerful robot vacuum and mop that can handle every corner of your home with minimal effort? The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop combines ultra-strong suction with advanced sonic mopping to vacuum carpets and hard floors while scrubbing tough stains at the same time. Its intelligent Matrix Clean technology makes multiple precision passes for a deeper clean, while the self-emptying, bagless base stores up to 45 days of dust and debris for truly hands-free maintenance. Featuring 360-degree LiDAR home mapping, Clean Edge Detect for superior edge cleaning, a self-cleaning brush roll that resists hair wrap, and a sealed HEPA filtration system, it's an excellent choice for homes with pets, busy families, and allergy-conscious users. In this video, we'll explore its standout features, real-world performance, and whether the Shark Matrix Plus is the best robot vacuum and mop to upgrade your cleaning routine in 2026. Check the Amazon product link in the description below to learn more and get the latest price. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best robot vacuum and mops of 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect robot vacuum to keep your home cleaner with less effort. Whether you're looking for powerful suction, advanced AI navigation, self-emptying convenience, or excellent mopping performance, there's an option here for every home and budget. You'll find links to all of the products featured in this video in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices, deals, and customer reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and top 5 product roundups. Let us know in the comments which robot vacuum is your favorite, or if there's another model you think deserves a spot on the list. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.